So first of all, in our committee we talk, in management methods, we talk about benchmarking tools that members can use to make data-driven decisions. The three areas that we focused in our committee today was around benchmarking tools for sales, and Andrew DeGay from ITR presented some of the improvements he's looking at in terms of the different types of product categories and providing trend data associated with that in the future. The next thing we talked about, Talbot presented the dynamic benchmarking tool database, an exciting new way for us to benchmark and get information more on a real-time basis. Our recommendation as a council was to continue to provide structure to that program, get the RFP done, solicit the software vendors, collaborate with other industries to get us that next generation benchmarking capability. The next thing we talked about is the importance of the unitary sales report. And that report is really looking at what are the sales of our refrigerant equipment and making sure that we're reporting it and evolving that to get a better understanding of how those trends are working in our industry. Finally, the thing I'm most excited about, quite honestly, is the vendor scorecard, or the vendor performance tool. And this is a tool that we've developed to a certain point. We surveyed the membership, and the majority of the membership came back and said that it's very important to have a more structured process for how we manage our relationship between our suppliers. With that being said, we then looked at different scorecards from the membership, and what we found is the best-in-class scorecards have a combination of both subjective measures and objective measures. But quite honestly, the definitions of what those measurements are and how the scorecard should be structured is a task to be accomplished. So the next phase that we're taking on in developing this vendor scorecard is soliciting input from all the membership, take a look at the definitions that we've provided, and then with that, we'll have the feedback to evolve the scorecard, so by next time, next year, we'll be able to give you a real good work product to help you continue to evolve your relationship with your suppliers and suppliers with your distributor partners.